Your windows and doors do much more than provide access and light. They play a vital role in your home's comfort, efficiency, and security. Over time, however, they wear down due to daily use, weather, and age. For Clermont homeowners, where the hot, humid climate and seasonal storms put extra stress on your home's exterior, recognizing when it's time for replacement is essential. Here are the top signs that indicate your windows and doors may need upgrading. Drafts and uneven indoor temperatures. If you feel a breeze even when your windows and doors are closed, or notice hot and cold spots in certain rooms, your home is likely losing air through leaks. Drafts not only make your living spaces uncomfortable but also increase the load on your HVAC system. Replacing windows and doors with modern, energy-efficient options can create a tighter seal, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer during cooler months. Rising energy bills. A sudden or steady increase in utility bills is often tied to poor insulation around aging windows and doors. Old frames or glass that no longer seal properly allow conditioned air to escape and outside air to creep in. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows and insulated doors, Clermont homeowners can reduce energy waste and save significantly on monthly bills. Visible damage or warping. Humidity, rain, and strong Florida sunshine take a toll on exterior doors and window frames. Look for cracks, warping, rotting wood, rust, or peeling paint. Not only do these issues hurt curb appeal, but they can also compromise security and insulation. Modern fiberglass, steel, and vinyl options are built to resist Clermont's climate, lasting longer and requiring less upkeep. Difficulty opening, closing, or locking. Do your windows or doors stick, jam, or fail to close tightly? This is a strong indicator they've warped or shifted out of alignment over time. In addition to being frustrating, malfunctioning doors and windows pose safety risks in emergencies and can leave your home vulnerable to intruders. Replacements ensure smooth operation and peace of mind. Moisture between glass panes. Condensation trapped between double or triple pane windows means the seals have failed. Once this happens, the insulating gas escapes, and your windows lose their efficiency. Cloudy or foggy glass not only looks unattractive but also blocks natural light. Installing new windows restores clarity and energy savings. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. Even if your current windows and doors are functional, outdated styles can make your home look tired. Upgrading to modern designs, like decorative entry doors or sleek casement windows, instantly refreshes your Clermont home's exterior, boosting both curb appeal and property value. Increased noise from outside. If outside noise seems louder than it used to, your doors and windows may not be insulating sound effectively. Newer models feature improved materials and construction that reduce noise infiltration, creating a quieter, more relaxing indoor environment. Final thoughts. Windows and doors are some of the hardest working parts of your Clermont home, but they don't last forever. From rising energy bills and drafts to visible damage and outdated styles, the signs of wear are easy to spot once you know what to look for. Replacing your old windows and doors with modern, energy-efficient options not only improves comfort and security but also enhances curb appeal and lowers utility costs. For Clermont homeowners, investing in professional replacement ensures your home is well prepared for the region's humid climate and stormy seasons, while looking its very best.